baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what is gonna be?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have this straight wig here from CurlyMe. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching.
Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you.
This is the structure. Okay, this is the structure of what this wig is. I had no idea. That's nice how they did that. Quality. Very nice. So this is what the wig is constructed on, and this is called a MCap. Now let me read what that is. Maximum lace, so you get a 9x6 Swiss HD lace. So this is a closure wig, but you get more versatility with the amount of lace that you have. It's more comfortable with the 3D dome design to fit your head. It's more snug and it has an ear fitted C-shaped design, and it's more secure with added removable clips. Very nice. I don't think I've ever had a company do that. That is nice. And this is the removable adjustable elastic band, and then it has that like silicone material on there for better grip. But this is fire. I could like make my own wig on this thing. Here are the removable clips. The way that they have their stuff packaged, like CurlyMe is not playing. So this is their �W-𝐂𝐀𝐏 kit, and inside is a removable clips and an adjustable elastic band. So you have 3 removable clips and elastic band. So that adjustable elastic band that I showed you already, and then your clips. One of them fell out. You should have 3 of them. 3 of them. Packaging gets a 10. And then we have this bag here with some more goodies in it. They pay attention to detail. Some lashes there, edge brush, wig cap. Okay, let's look at the wig itself. Now, with their company being called CurlyMe, I assumed that I was gonna get a curly wig, because sometimes with companies I forget like what wigs they send me, but this is not a curly wig. This is a straight wig in 24 inches. Wow. So I'll probably just like run a flat iron through it just to get it pressed out a little bit more, but this is pretty pressed out. And I'm not gonna put no curls in it or anything. So here is the wig that they sent me here. It's 24 inches long. It's straight. Has a 9x6. I'll have more specifics in the description box for you guys. Nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to run a flat iron through it. It does have pre-cut lace, so that's nice. And the hairline is pre-tweezed. And it appears that the knots are bleached as well. Nice. So that's what we got going on. And this is the cap. You guys just saw the cap. They even got like the clips covered. It's the little details for me. So you guys already saw the cap construction, you know, but this is what it looks like. You got the 2 combs on the right and left side, the removable adjustable elastic band, and then we have a longer comb in the back. So we're just gonna try this on and see what we got going on. I love an easy install, so hopefully that's what we got going on. Yeah. Black straight hair, like, that just looks good. But this does have pre-cut lace, but I need to cut it back some more because it's a little bit too much still on there. So I'm 6 feet tall, right? And this is where the 24 inches falls on me. So 24 inches is very long. That's what the 24 inches looks like on me. So this is a silky texture here. So this is not a yucky texture, but because this is like, it's human hair, it's not gonna look wiggy, of course. So first order of business is to cut some of this lace off. And always, if I'm gonna cut it on my head, I'm gonna pull it down so I don't, you know, accidentally cut my own hairline. I know my lights are blinking back there, but I cannot change that right now. So bear with me, please. Okay, so that's what it looks like after I cut the hair, the lace back a little bit. I still could cut back a little bit more before I do any tinting to this lace, because it is kind of light. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off for a second. I'm gonna take my contour here. I'm just using this little paper thing that was inside the wig, and just gonna put some on this brush. I'm making sure to blend it out so it's not too concentrated. I'm gonna pull my wig cap up. So as you can see, it's much more tinted. I do have like a line of demarcation where my cap is a little bit, but we can fix that up. That's not a big deal. So clearly you can just wear this glueless. Let me just put a little powder in the part to make it make sense. And I'm gonna be wearing it 100% glueless at the beginning, and then I'm gonna glue it down. So I'm just adding some powder to the part to begin with. I'll soften that up. So I don't have it pressed out, but this is what it looked like. This is what it would look like. And that's glueless right there. That is glueless. Let's see. I kind of want to fix this a little bit. But this just needs to be pressed out. That's it, that's all. But I am gonna probably glue this down with some even. But the all black middle part bust down, it's just, yeah, no. She just needs to be pressed out real good. So that's glueless right there. Yeah, sit it down, brush her out. Next, this is really pretty though. I'm just, you know, it's got like bends and stuff in it that needs to be pressed out. And I just want to lay it down with some adhesive. All right, so I showed you guys the glueless install. So now I'm going to use my Even Wonder Lace adhesive spray here to glue this down. Now, some of my edges are peeking out over here, but my hair is in the middle part, so I'm just letting them peek out instead of fighting with my edges or anything.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Alright guys, so we are back, and you have seen how I got this wig together. I'm just gonna hop right into it. So trying to think of some cons for this wig, but honestly and truly, I really don't have any. Of course, I mean, this is a preference thing. I tend to prefer yucky textures over silky textures just because yucky textures they resemble my natural hair, pressed out more so than silky textures, but this still looks natural to me. I hope my lace is not coming off ashy on camera. I really hope it's not, because I did my best to tint the lace to look good on camera and outdoors. And speaking of outdoors, I did do a sunlight test for you guys, so you guys can see what it looks like in real life. So today it is nice and sunny, but it's about 4 o'clock, so the sun is, going down. But I showed you guys what it looks like, indoors, in shade. The lace looks pretty good to me in shade. And to me, I feel like shade is when you really can tell whether or not lace looks undetectable. And I'm doing air quotes because you gotta get it in your head. Lace will never completely disappear. It certainly levels to how detectable it can be, but it's never gonna completely disappear because it's not flesh. It is a fabric. It's never going to be your skin. But it's levels to it, like I said, and I feel like this looks pretty good in shade, and of course it looks good in direct sunlight. Now it's going to have a little bit of ashy spots like on the right side of my head, and I think that's because of when I was using my Ebin Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, and then I took my melt band off. It kind of snags when you take it off, and then it kind of creates like an ashiness. I've noticed that. But I did use my contour, which is the Plaudio foundation, stick foundation in the shade Mocha. And I diffused it on a foundation brush, and that's what I used. So if it's coming off ashy on camera, which I really hope it's not. That's what I used. And I think it overall looks pretty good outside, especially for, this is still a wig. I just want to emphasize that point, but it's levels to it. But this style looks so pretty. I love the bust down middle part, the super, the dark black hair is straight and it's long. It's beautiful. Now, this is going to also be a preference thing. Some people don't like super thick wigs. This is a super light density. This is not thick. So this is probably going to be something that's good to wear all year round. But if you're buying a wig to be warm, you probably want to go up in the density if they offer a higher density. So keep that in mind. I haven't experienced a whole bunch of like shedding. Certainly no tangling like that. I'm wearing this right out the pack. I pressed it out with my Babyless flat iron here. You can wear this glueless. You just have to, you can use the foam technique that I picked up from 𝐿, or you can, that's really the only glueless technique I use when I do my glueless installs. Or you can just like not use any product and wear it glueless, but it's up to you. You can just tighten the adjustable elastic band and everything like that and use bobby pins, and you can do it glueless that way. But make sure your lace is tinted to your complexion so it looks really good. But that matters whether or not you are wearing it glueless or with an adhesive. But I think this turned out really pretty, and I feel very pretty I feel very pretty as well. So if you are interested in this wig, you can head over to CurlyMe and pick this up. All the information will be in the description box for you guys. Shout out to CurlyMe for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I do have a lot of content coming for you guys. Follow me right now at 𝐒𝐓𝑑𝐀𝐈𝐆𝐇𝐓 on Instagram and TikTok, because I am way more active on those platforms. So follow me there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me.